how to add shapes in Figma. So the key component of Figma is shapes. If you've ever wanted to spice up your designs with shapes, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Okay, now let's get into adding shapes. It's super easy. On the bottom bar, you can see there's so many options, like you see tools, which includes a shape tool, which is this one. It says rectangle right now. You can either go to the shape tool over here, which is like this arrow. Tap into that and you can see various options like rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, you name it. There are so many options. Also, quick like tip, if you want a shortcut, I totally have that. I've got you covered. Let's say you want to make a rectangle. The shortcut will be, you can simply press the R key in your keyboard and it will create a rectangle for you. So, okay, let's say I'm to R, and simply place it like this, and there you go. But make sure once you tap into the key R, you have to go to the frame and move your cursor like this. So let's go to and likewise, if you want to create ellipse, you can simply tap the O button, and as for the line, you can tap the L and it goes like so on. So let's make it with the shape tool. Let's go in the traditional way, let's go with the bar. And let's say I want to make a rectangle. Simply tap into that, click and drag on the canvas. You want to create once you add it. You can also, adjust the dimensions over here at the right sidebar. Change the width and height. You can also change the opacity, and it's totally up to you. So this is how you add shapes, and you can simply customize. If you want a video on how to customize shapes, we totally have that video on our YouTube channel as well. We've got you covered. You can simply check it on our channel. And yeah, that's all. There is and you can also create, okay, I'll show you another shapes as well, like ellipse over here, like polygon, you name it. You have all the shapes and size, different stars, and there you go. So now you know how to add shapes to your Figma. Shapes are a powerful way to enhance your design, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Figma tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy designing. See you in the next tutorial.